If you're a Dewalt fan, we've got you covered here in the ITS Black Friday sale. This is the DCK266D2 from Dewalt. As you can see, it's a Dewalt lithium-ion XR brushless two-piece kit. So we've got a brushless combi drill, brushless impact driver. They're both the second generation XR range. So they're newer, they're the upgraded versions, if you like. It's the DCD796 and the DCF887. In this set, we've got two 2 amp hour lithium-ion batteries. They're really nice, compact ones. But with the brushless motors that both of these are delivering, that will give you plenty of runtime. And you've got the battery state indicator on the back of those. They're really nice if you've already got a Dewalt set or you're just starting out with Dewalt and you want to check it out. Also got a Dewalt charger and the T-Stack style stackable carry case that I'm sure a lot of you know and love. Not only have we reduced that by £100 from its normal selling price here at the ITS Black Friday sale, but also we're going to throw you in some Dewalt accessories completely free on top of your order. So we've got this 27-piece comprehensive drill and screwdriver bit set. We've got Torx bits, Posi bits, Phillips heads, as well as your impact driver set there and your holder. We've also got your Tough case, Tough branded Dewalt Extreme screwdriver bits there, as well as an additional bit holder for that. These are perfect impact rated sets as well, so perfect for your impact driver. So there's completely free of charge those accessories with the brushless combi, brushless impact driver, 2 batteries, case and charger. Just $199.99 plus the VAT for everything you see in front of me now. That's saving over £100 in the ITS Black Friday sale. This deal and all the others at the ITS sale must end on December the 9th. So what are you waiting for? Head over to its.co.uk now and check it out.